Now that you've made your cookie cutter, you are within the 3 by 3 by 1 constraints. Can't be any bit bigger than that. Have Miss Taylor check and make sure that your dimensions are good before you ship anywhere. Alright, once you're ready to go, then you're going to open up the file, open your cookie cutter. I'm going to go ahead and open the one that I made for you guys. Once you get it opened, then you're going to go back up there to the eye, and you're going to go to the export. And you want to export it in the CAD format. Now once you've got that CAD format, come down here to options, and you want to make sure your units says inch, not millimeters or centimeters, inch. Okay. Then you're going to save it on that share drive. So you're going to go to the W drive, you're going to go to the STEM folder, and you're going to save it as an STL file. You have to do a drop down of that STL file. If you don't do all of these steps, your cookie cutter's not going to print. Alright, so here we go. Now once you've got that saved as an STL file, then minimize that, and on this desktop you'll see a MakerBot desktop icon. You want to click that. What that does is it opens up your 3D printer print area. Now we want to add a file, so you're going to go to the W drive, the student, and you're going to find your name of your cookie cutter. You should see the little M beside of it. So click on that and open. If it asks, it needs to rescale the object, and you want to move it to the platform. Now for whatever reason, when it rescaled it to this printer, it put it up there sideways. Now as I showed you before, that M will not print if it's laying on its side. No worries. Go over here to this little flip button, double click on that, and you want to flip it 90 degrees, so you're just going to click on that first one. You want to lay it flat on the printer surface. Close that. Make sure it looks good. It's the direction with the chamfer on the bottom, and push print. Now there it tells us that it's going to take, it says an hour. It won't take an hour, it'll take about 20 minutes. Make sure the printer is on and it's heated up. I'll try to always remember to have that on when you guys are printing. But then it'll take off and it'll stop on its own and you'll be done.